Good afternoon, guys. My name is Adam Rhein. I am the Chief Thumb Smasher here at Rhein Forged. What I want to talk about today is I want to talk about the basics and the basic mechanics of drawing steel out. Now, for those of you who don't know what drawing steel out is the process of stretching a piece of material. Doesn't matter what the material is. It could be an inch square, it could be a quarter-inch square. The videos that I'm going to show you today are of me drawing out a 1/4 inch square rod. That way it's quick and easy and painless to do. There are 3 ways that I like to use. There's a couple of tools that allow you to do that easier, but we're going to talk about the 3 basic ways that involve your basic anvil shapes and a flat-faced cross-peen hammer. The very basic tools that are needed. So what we have here is a cross-section of the horn, just a flat face of the anvil, and the edges of the anvil, and how to use them to effect. So in order to draw a piece of material out, if you were to hit it on the face of the anvil, dead straight on the face of the anvil, it doesn't hit back, but it provides you with an ability to smash it down from the top, which is one way. So you smash it down from the top, you turn it, you smash it down again, you turn it back, and you keep squishing it until it stretches out, just like you would with a piece of clay. And that is probably the best beginner's way of doing it, because it allows you to learn hammer control and to know exactly where you're hitting with your hammer. On the horn is a little bit more aggressive. What that means is that if you strike your piece of metal on the top of the horn hits back and it actually pushes the metal out in a couple of ways. So the metal is getting pushed along this curve, allowing you to turn it again, and you can push it down like that, stretching the metal out and making it thinner, stretching the material. Now this is a very, very good way of doing it. I personally do it all 3 ways currently. And I'm back. Sorry, my battery just died on my camera. So, as I was saying, least aggressive, slightly aggressive, very aggressive. Now how this works is you take your piece and you are going to hit right on that edge there, half on, half off. Well, I wish I could draw. Right there, half on, half off. So the corner imprints itself into your bar. And what that allows you to do is when you hit, it allows you to turn it, and you can keep doing that until you stretch your material out. I'll show you all 3 as I said, but I just wanted to explain. With this particular style, you're asking the hammer to do all the work. With these 2, you're having your anvil do a bunch of the work for you. And that's the main, that's the 3 different ways of drawing out material that I know of. So without further ado, I will show you. Alright, so in this one, I'm going to draw a nice long taper out on the horn of the anvil. Do this one on the face of the anvil. And this one will be over the edge of the anvil. So, maybe you learned something, maybe you already know it, maybe you know a technique that I don't. Please leave a comment down in the comment section, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.